You spend good money on quality coffee. Here's how to not ruin it. The biggest mistake people make when buying their coffee is not how they brew it, but it's how they store it. Coffee has 4 enemies: air, light, moisture, and heat. Your job is to keep it away from all 4 elements. Firstly, it's very important to use an airtight container. The original bag is fine, provided you clip it shut, but a ceramic or an opaque canister is definitely better. Now, where to store it? Make sure you avoid stoves and windows. You can keep it in a cupboard or just on the counter. And that's it. Now, here's what to not do with your coffee. Do not put your coffee in the fridge. It might seem like the right thing to do, but I promise you it is not. Coffee absorbs smell, so it will pick up the smells of your leftovers and it will taste like it too. We both know we don't want that. Make sure you also avoid the freezer. Do not store your coffee beans in the freezer. You are allowed to brew your coffee, make it, and freeze it into ice cubes if you want to make an iced latte or anything else later on, but just don't put it in the freezer. One more thing, only grind what you need. Whole beans stay fresh much longer than ground coffee. Once ground, you typically have about a week before it starts tasting flat. Fresh coffee, stored right, tastes the way it's supposed to. That's the Zuma way.